So, time check guys. It's already 10:09. My bus still not came. So, look at my kapayan. They are playing. They are so playful. Yeah. These girls. So happy people. So, I'm still stuck here in Satwa. I'm thinking at things to do actually. It's like I want to buy chai from that area, from there. Yeah, we'll buy chai for now because I think because of the rain, the bus are stuck in the road. Like I have a lot of traffic in here, and in one day, for one day raining, it's like the water get rise. I mean, it will get flooded. The road are flooded. So okay, let's get some tea. Oh no, because there's no bus and I'm so bored right now. So yeah. Let's get some chai. Okay, my bus is still not came. So I have decided to get some chai. Chia. What they call chia. Oh my gosh. Kasi yung road, it's so messy. Ganda ng tao dito. We are buying chai. So, syempre, magbabayad rin ako ng chai. So, hi, can I have chai please? One chai. Thank you. Sana wala pa yung bus ko. I'm hoping. Diyan lang kayo guys. Bibili lang ako ng chai. Yan muna kayo sa loob ng paper bag. One side. This one? Hi, kumusta kayo? So, yeah. I got my chai now. So, babalik na tayo doon sa, let's go in back to the bus stop because maybe the bus will come. We must not miss it because the traffic is overload and it's hard to go to work in commute today, with the public bus because it's so traffic and everything is messy today, all the way are flooding. I mean, look at my chai. While waiting, you see, in just 1 dirham, like you can buy chai and milk and the tea, the yellow tea bag and milk. They mix it up and boiled it and add some water and that's it. Tastes so good. already 1 hour I'm waiting for the bus, but the bus still not yet came. I mean, see, look, the people behind me. I hope you people are in good condition right now. Some hair stuck on my mouth.
Pode para 6 sábados da rogatina,
This is such a good weather, but you know what? Only the road is so messy because all the waters are like they are rising and then they are stuck on the road, so that's it. But actually the weather, if this kind of weather in Dubai, it's very good because it's not too hot and you can go out, like you can enjoy the weather, you can enjoy the view outside without the heat, too much heat and then too much temperature. Just enjoying my tea. This is the public bus. This is a government bus, everyone. Ganyan yung bus nila, oh, yung public bus nila, ayan, oh, kita nyo? It's a government bus, hindi pagmamay-ari ng private sector. Kaya ang yaman ng Dubai, look at that, because hindi allowed ang mga pampasaherong bus dito na ang mga pampasaherong bus na pag-aari ng mga private people, hindi pwede. Ito namang isa, itong white naman naman. Ayun yung mga ganyan bus, nakikita nyo yung mga shuttle bus, ng malaking bus, it's owned by the private companies, pero para sa kanilang mga empleyado lang, like free transportation gaya namin. So kaya ang yaman ng Dubai, kasi kapag may mga empleyado or mga tao na nagko-commute or mga turista, yung pamasahe nila is through card na rin, like the Nol card, and then direct na yun pumapasok sa account ng government. So through that's why Dubai is so rich. Like they are not so rich, but hindi sila yung mga nila, lokal nila o taga dito is hindi sila mahirap dahil doon. Kasi walang pagmamayari ng private family, private sector, ganyan. Kaya ang mga bilihin dito is napakamura, gaya ng China, ito 1 dirham lang, diba? So kung sana ganyan ang Pilipinas, napakaganda sana. Walang mga private na na pagmamayari ng mga company na pampasaherong bus. Tsaka mas especially yung nila, yung ano ba tawag nun, metro nila, yung train sa atin, yung MRT, LRT, ganyan. Pagmamayari yun din ng government, di ba? Napakaganda. Tapos yung mga ganyan nakikita nyo, yung mga yellow na yun, yung mga school bus, pagmamayari naman yan ng mga schools. Pero hindi yun pampasahero, kundi para sa mga estudyante naman ng kanilang school, hindi sa iba't ibang schools. It's particular school lang. For example, kung ang school is like sa Richmondale lang yan, ganyan. So napakaganda ng nila dito sa Dubai, hindi halo-halo. Ang ganda. Napaka-organized, napakaganda, mo especially their government. Wala kang Kahit na ganito, dito ka lang sa kalye, nagse-cellphone ka, hawak-hawak mo yung wallet mo, punong-puno ka ng gold. Walang snatching na nangyayari, walang nakawan, di ba? Kahit na hindi nakatingin yung mga pulis. Napaka-disiplinado ng mga tao dito kasi disiplinado rin yung government nila, yung mga namumuno. Ay, ayan ang bus ko, guys. My bus is coming. Bus is coming. Ay, thank you. Oh my God. This is so much. Yeah. So, we're here in the bus. See our driver smiling please. Hi guys, how are you guys? So, ayan guys. Nandito na ako sa bus ko. So, ano na, time check. 10:20. So, more than 1 hour ako naghintay doon. Mga 9 ako pumunta sa bus stop.
आपके पास डॉक्टर का नंबर है? एक नंबर है वो तो बंद आ रहा है।
Yes. Papakita ko lang sa inyo ang weather ng Dubai. Yun na pala sa isang camera.